So, sis, please don't. Oh my god, my hair still sticks up. Hi guys, so today I decided I'm going to do a video. I don't even know what of, but you know, just wanted to take you guys along with me in my life to do nothing, but it's cool. Anyway, so last night I did my nails myself. I did it myself, you guys, not to brag or anything. Ew. This is what they turned out like. Don't come too close, because if you do, you start seeing stuff you don't want to see, especially my non-dominant hand. My roots are already growing in. My hair is actually so much darker than my hair, so. By the way, ignore this and this. These are just red marks I woke up with on my face, to be honest. That happens to me sometimes though. I don't know why my skin does that, but it just goes away by itself. So we'll just wait for that to go. Anyways, I just woke up not long ago. I haven't ate anything yet. I know that's gross, but I did brush my teeth and everything. And I did my makeup. Sometimes I like to do that in the morning. I do like to get ready in the morning just because it gets me like on a roll. You know, whenever I don't do my makeup, I really am not productive at all. Anyways, whose allergies has been complete trash, because mine has been really doing a great job of pissing me off recently. Speaking of her, oh my god. Oh my god. So like in the morning, I like to start off my day with some yogurt filled with probiotics. So I personally have Actavia's yogurt. I ran out of that recently. Or do I have one more? That's why I like to start off my day with, you know, with all that good bacteria on my digestive area. You know what I mean? Honestly, it does really help with just making sure your stool is able to pass, because that does, you know, make you not gain weight. Is you're not constipated all the time. That does help you. Please excuse how I pronounce this, because your girl don't know how to pronounce this for crap. This is the Foundation Beauty Elixir by Hair Leve. I think that's how you pronounce it. So in here, there's a blend of things that are good for your skin, hair, and honestly, just your insides in general. So I'm gonna tell you guys about that. If you guys don't know, I've been dyeing my hair, cutting my hair, damaging my hair more than usual this past year, like all-time record. I'm so happy because my hair is not straight right now, perfectly straight, because I had it up, and it's been straight like this for 2 weeks. So this is my 2-week hair, but overall, if you guys can tell, it does not look damaged. It's healthy. It has, you know, movement. So as much as we like putting things onto our skin and onto our hair, it's actually good to put things into your body that are good for your hair and skin. So for example, they have ingredients like keratin, which is literally for your hair. They have collagen and prebiotics, which are really good for your skin, elasticity and all that. And blue spirulina. So I'm actually not familiar with that, but that is also an ingredient specific for hair as well. Like I said, it's a drink, so it makes it really nice. You just open out the Ziploc. Oh, and it tastes like honeydew, by the way. I forgot to mention. Also, this has vitamin C, which boosts your immune system. And this is what the measuring cup looks like. And just drink it up so you can get your super blend, as they call it. So, yeah, by the way, I want to mention, this is vegan, sugar-free, soy-free, all that. Yeah, so I'm gonna just make some real quick. This is the water. Why am I so far away? Let me just get it down. This is what it looks like. Okay, one scoopity. Now I'm gonna mix it in. That's it. This is such bad lighting. Y'all can see me.
Okay guys, so if you guys don't know, I actually do food reviews now. I know, it's great. I already spilled water on my shirt. It's just water, it'll go away. It'll just dry up. Anyways, if you guys are wondering, why am I so zoomed in? Holy crap. Okay. This is my OOTD. This one's from Pretty Little Things. I actually really like the sweater from Pretty Little Things. Ignore that. And then I'm wearing these biker shorts. The mirror is dirty, but you guys get the hint. I have to hold the camera at such a bad angle. So as I was saying, I actually do food reviews now. Except like not in video form or anything like that. I just review places and submit videos. I mean, and not videos, submit pictures. I submit pictures of my food and then I review food. Yeah, it's a pretty chill, laid back vibe. Right now I'm just doing fast food, so nothing crazy, but that's okay. You know, we'll work our way up somehow. You guys, can I tell you guys something? I love fries and chicken nuggets from McDonald's. Like any time of day, tell me, hey, you know what? Maybe not chicken nuggets any time of day, but like fries. Be like, hey, do you want to go get a large fry from McDonald's? Yes. The answer will always be, okay, fine, let's go. I lost a lot of weight and then I gained weight. I lose and gain weight like this, you guys. Like, I do it really fast. You guys, I'm 118 pounds. I was literally 111 pounds like 3 days ago. I'm so proud of me for not touching my hair for over 3 months. Well, I did. I dyed it, but I mean cutting it. I didn't cut it, and I dyed it to this color because I thought it would be healthier for my hair. So wow, we're finally growing it out again. I got mail. Okay, I'm gonna just film a quick unboxing. Anyways, so I just unboxed it. Those are the slaps of death. My sister is beating my brother up right now. My LED lamp when I was doing my nails wasn't working really well, and I was like, damn it, now I have to go buy an LED lamp. This is from the brand Madame Glam New York, and I'm gonna open it up. Oh shoot. So in here, it's a lamp. It's the same styled lamp. Yeah, it's the same color and everything. So it's just different brand, but it's overall the same exact style. See, I like these because these are compact and they're just really nice. The other one I got that with my nail. So it's white and it has the legs on the bottom. And we're gonna see what nail tools they got us. I'm excited. So pretty. They sent me 4 colors. Dude, this is so pretty. I love the packaging. It feels so nice. I got this shade here. Is that pretty, Nudges?
Look like the lip glosses that you get.
And then I got this shade here. And then they got me a top coat and a base coat, and I'm super excited to try off both. On what to use. I think I want to do these. They're flowers, you guys. Look. Wait, where are you guys? Look at them. They're flowers. I feel like I have to do these. I do have these ones. I'll do like pink ones. I'm gonna take the top coat. I'm so excited to use this top coat. Whoa, it is so shiny. It is so shiny. I don't know what it is about this top coat. This is the shiniest top coat I've ever seen. Nudges, turn it off. Okay, so we just made it to the drive-thru. We got some fries in here. I got some fries and burgers, whatever, and some chicken nuggets. I got 40 pieces chicken nuggets, so. No, I got a lot of things, so I'm pretty happy. What, bitch? Dude, I said 40 piece. This bitch gave me a 4-piece. No way. You can't be this dumb. Oh my god. Give me a sec. I said 40 piece. She said 4 piece. She gave me 4 piece. I said 40 piece. Bruh. What a day. Like, I'm struggling right now. I need to tell my dad. Okay, guys. So, update. Yeah, I'm actually really gross. I like nasty food, like McDonald's, you know. It like does it for me. It's the little things. It's the really little tiny things in life. Okay, guys, so your girl just got tired, and I'm gonna take a little napster. I'm gonna take a little nappy nap. So, you know, I deserve it. I did so much today. I worked really hard today. I put in my best efforts. I really think I deserve a break, you know. Very productive day. Hey Google. Hi guys, so I just woke up for my night time. So I'll be studying for the rest of the night. Literally, that's it. It is currently late. I'm not even gonna say. And I'm just gonna study for the next 5-6 hours. So probably will be in bed at like 3. Yeah, and that's on productivity. Oh. My sleep schedule is a huge mess, and this has been working for me, so